So what's up guys, yan, another day, another bembem, no? So yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung bago kong build, no? Napakaganda. So this is M4 na luma na, then kinabitan lang natin ng Daniel Defense na M4A1 FSP Reese 2 na handguard, no? Yan, napaganda ng handguard, no? Yan, so yan, tas nakaki-ring handle. Yan, tas syempre in-upgrade ko na at ilalaro rin natin to, no? So yun, try natin guys. So yung full auto guys, ito. No? So yan, semi ulit. Okay. So yun guys, another build ng Savage Airsoft, no? So yun, napakagaan nito.